Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will review on HP Spectre X30 X360 review. Please like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. The Ultra Portable offers integrated LTE and a 10 nm Intel Ice Lake CPU. It's It's been a long wait for Intel 10nm processor to show up in products we can buy, and over now we have with us the latest revision of the HP Spectre X360, a premium ultra slim 2-in-1 laptop that features a 10th generation Intel Core i7 1065G7 CPU from the 10nm Ice Lake family. We reviewed the previous generation of this laptop in mid 2019 and not much has changed about from the internal hardware, so it will be interesting to compare the two with prices starting at just shy of 1 lakh. This is a laptop for those who want to an extremely portable machine for work entertainment, which they can also show off the new HP Spectre X360 13 is a two-in-one with an integrated LTE data modem. It claims to offer extraordinary design, class-leading battery life, and of course, plenty of processing power. It goes up against Dell XPS C's Lenovo Sleek Yoga models and Acer latest Swift Ultra portables. Considering that this laptop weighs less than 1.3 kg, has HP managed to deliver on all its promises? HP Spectre X360 30 design in the sharp angular look and the warm copper gold accents of the previous generation Spectre X360 have been retained with a few refinements. HP says this iteration is 30% smaller than before, thanks largely to a reduction in depth. What will you will notice first is all the jam-cut rear corners, which really make this device stand out. On closer inspection, you will notice the beveled yet tapering metal edges and clever placement of ports and bottoms. We are not really fans of sharp edges and corners on portable devices, but Spectre X360 13 certainly has a unique personality. It also is not too uncomfortable to carry around or use use as a laptop or tablet, which we had worried about at first. There is a con- contrast here of subtle touches and attentions grabbing details. The elite keyboard deck and bottom are a dark gray color that HP calls Nightfall Black, and there is also a polyester blue options on some configuration. You will see HP Ultra Modern Minimalist logo on the lid, whose device weight 1.27 kg and it is just 169 mm thick. When closed, flipping the lid up requires more than one hand because of how light the base is. The hinges feel absolutely solid and